The semi-lash extensions or cluster lash extensions is considered a short-term wearing lash extensions. It's designed for special occasions or people who just want to trying out with no commitment. There is no upkeep needed for this type of lash extensions. These lash extensions lasted roughly around 1 week to 3 weeks, depending on how much lashes you have and how good you take care of them. The individual lash extensions are designed for long-term wearing, and it requires retouch every 2 to 3 weeks. This is the types of lash extensions and a little bit more information about how long it lasts, the price range, the time consuming. I hope that by watching this and reading this, you can understand which one is the best choice for you so you can make the decisions for yourself. Thank you for watching and have a great day.